Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video, we will learn about Python inheritance. So let's start the video. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. In inheritance, we have two types of classes. One is parent class and the other is child class. Here, the parent class, which is also known as base class, is the class being inherited from, whereas the child class, also known as derived class, is the class that inherits from another class. Let's create a parent class. Any class can be a parent class, so the syntax is the same as creating any other class. For example, class candidate, then under that def init of self, fname, lname. This topic is explained in previous video. If you want to review, you can navigate through the link provided. Then type self dot first name is equals to fname. Then under that self dot last name is equals to lname. Then def print name of self, print of self dot first name, self dot last name. Here we use the candidate class to create an object and then execute the print name method. That is, x is equals to candidate of John, Smith, then x dot print name. Now if we compile this, we get the output as John Smith. Now let's see how to create a child class or a derived class. To do that, we should create a class that inherits the functionality from another class and then send the parent class as a parameter when creating the child class. Type under the same program class employee of candidate, then type pass. Here we use the pass keyword when you do not want to add any other properties or methods to the class. Now the employee class, which is a child class, has the same properties and methods as a candidate class. Now type x is equals to employee of Nia, Jacob, x dot print name. Now if we compile this, we get the output as Nia Jacob. Now how to add init function to the child class. So we know that init function is called automatically every time the class is being used to create a new object. So instead of pass keyword, type def init of self, fname, lname. When you do this, the child class will no longer inherit the parent's init function. Here what happens is the child class init function overrides the inheritance of the parent's init function at this point. If you want to keep the inheritance of the parent's init function, then you can add a call to the parent's init function, such as candidate.init of self, fname, lname, then x is equals to employee. Let's change the name just to get the better understanding. Then x dot print name. Now if we compile this, we get the output as Albert James. We have one more function in Python called super function. What it does is that it will make the child class inherit all the methods and properties from its parent. For example, instead of candidate call, type super function dot init of remove the self, then fname, lname, then x is equals to employee of Mark, Austin, then x dot print name. Now if we compile this, we get the output as Mark Austin. This class works same and gives the same output as the parent class, but by using super function, you do not have to use the name of parent element. It will automatically inherit the methods and properties from its parent. So this was all about inheritance, parent class, child class and super function. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you enjoy Edify sessions, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.